Alright, time to do some hardware stuff. Just take a break a little bit from the software stuff. This is my Commodore 16. It doesn't work. It's got the it's got either a problem with the TED chip or the microprocessor, one of the other chips. I don't know. I got this, what is it, PLA chip, I think. And tried replacing it. It didn't help. So it's not that, as far as I know. So I wanna use it for something else, and like maybe a Raspberry Pi or an Android uh, machine, or running something running maybe an emulator. I looked at the Keyraw Commodore board that will turn a basically a Commodore computer into a USB keyboard, and they're like $50. It's not bad, but I thought, well, I got this little microcontroller board that I hadn't used in years, and so I'll mess with it. And I pulled out the manual and got the software running, and it works. It recognizes it. See, loads the software up, and it's ticking away. So now I thought about it. Said, wait a minute. I got this old USB keyboard that I never liked it. I mean, I used it, but uh, really, I don't like it at all. And I thought, well, wait a minute, this is a USB keyboard. Maybe I could just take the guts out of it and connect it to the C16 keyboard. You know, it's the connector it's got on it. Where'd it go? There it is. So my thought was to maybe create a connector for that. The way that is, the memory and keyboard laid down on top of that, and had this little bar that would hold the memory and keyboard connector onto that. Uh, I was going to still use that bar to hold down the connector. I just need to create one. So I thought was to use one of these guys to I'll put wires. I'll strip wires down like this inside, like a telephone wire, kind of stiff, pure copper. So I was going to strip these down over the more, probably about right up in there, put those all the way in there to where they're still, some of the copper showing about maybe a quarter of an inch, and create like, I think it's like 18. Create 18 of those, line them up in there, and then lay down flat, maybe on glass or something, and use hot glue. Put a big glob of hot glue across there where the connectors are still showing underneath, but on top it'll be hot glued. And then laying that over there and using this bar, connect it to like a piece of wood on the bottom of that or something. to the pressure fit that or the connectors. I don't know. Might work, might not. I'll let you know. Okay. All right. Talk to you guys later. Thumbs up, like, subscribe.